Now keep her going this time, because I'm videotaping you.
She turns to look at herself.
Yes, you are. Keep her going.
Pull her, pull her.
That way. That way.
Turn it. Whoa.
Easy.
Not so rough, Mark. You break that.
Do it easy. That way.
Maybe you're doing too rough on her, honey.
Go easy on her.
I did it! Okay, come on. Okay,
Ruby, I'm going back to the same spot. This kid's gonna get tired. I'm gonna throw over the fence. Easy. That'd be like me pulling your curl. Don't do it. Do it easy. She wants to feel she's secure with you. Well, one hand's going one way, and you're going the other way, Marley.